Imagine waking up tomorrow morning to a notification on your phone. It's not a text from a friend, it's an email from your boss. It says your position has been terminated, not because of a recession, not because you did a bad job, but because a piece of software can now do your work faster, cheaper, and better than you ever could. This is the silent fear that hangs over our generation. We see the headlines every day. Artificial intelligence is passing medical exams, it's winning art competitions, it's writing code. For the first time in history, we are building tools that don't just look stronger than us. They look smarter than us. So, we have to ask the question that makes everyone uncomfortable. Are humans becoming obsolete? Is this the end of our usefulness? And this distinction is where your safety lies. If AI has all the data and speed, what is left for us? There are three major areas where humanity wins. First is the physical world. We often forget how complex reality is. A robot can beat a grandmaster at chess, but it still struggles to fold laundry as well as a 6-year-old child. It cannot easily fix a leaky pipe in a cramped bathroom. Jobs that require dexterity and interaction with the chaotic physical world are safe for a very long time. Second is high-stakes judgment. Would you be comfortable letting an AI judge decide if you go to prison? Would you let an AI general decide to launch a nuclear missile? Probably not. We want humans to be accountable for life and death decisions. We need a moral agent who understands consequences, not just a mathematical model that calculates probabilities. Third, and most importantly, is empathy. An AI therapist can give you the perfect textbook advice. It can list 10 ways to cope with grief. But it cannot care about you. There is a profound value in knowing that another human being is listening. We pay to watch human concerts and human sports because we value the shared human experience. We crave connection, not just information. So, what does the future actually look like? It will not be human versus AI. It will be human plus AI. In the world of chess, a computer can beat any human, but a centaur, a team of a human player working with a computer, can often beat the computer alone. The human provides the strategy and intuition. The computer provides the tactical calculation. This is your future. You are the pilot. AI is the engine. The lawyer who uses AI to scan thousands of documents in seconds will defeat the lawyer who reads them one by one. The artist who uses AI to generate 100 concept sketches in an hour will outpace the artist who draws one. The doctor who uses AI to detect early signs of cancer in scans will save more lives than the doctor who relies only on their eyes. The danger is not that you will be replaced by a robot. The danger is that you will be replaced by another human who is better at using the robot than you are. We are standing at the edge of a new industrial revolution. It is scary. Change is always scary, but it is also an invitation. For the first time, the boring, robotic parts of your job can be outsourced to a machine. You are free to focus on the parts of your work that require a soul. So, don't try to compete with the machine on calculation. You will lose. Instead, double down on your humanity. Sharpen your empathy. Build your strategic thinking. The machines are here to take the tasks, but they can never take the vision. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and understand the technology shaping our world, make sure to subscribe to CurioExplains. The future is coming fast, but we will face it together.